Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, so shall we go to learn the comprehensive problems in accountancy in this admission of a partner lesson? Okay, we have learned to do the adjustments regarding the revaluation and all that adjustments related to admission of a partner. Now, all these adjustments we are going to see in different problems. Okay, we have seen separately them in each problem, but now we are going to see them in together. Okay, here they will ask us to prepare revaluation account, then capital accounts, and the balance sheet. Okay, so let me read the first that is 24th illustration. Vetti and Ranjit are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st December 2017 is as under. Liabilities, assets. Assets, furniture, stock, debtors, cash in hand, profit and loss account. Loss. This one, the first adjustment. Accumulated profits and loss will be distributed to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. Then capital accounts. This one will be coming in the capital accounts. Then reserve fund. This also should be transferred to the partner's capital account. Sundry creditors in the next balance sheet. They admit Surya into their firm as a partner on the following arrangements. Surya brings 10,000 as capital for 1/4 share of profit. Stock depreciated. This one related to revaluation account. Then debtor, furniture. Okay, all these four adjustments related to revaluation account. This one capital accounts. Okay, it is easy to prepare. Let me show the revaluation account. First, the revaluation account. Stock to be depreciated. So here no need to write the entries. Revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet. So directly we can prepare the revaluation account. To stock. Okay, stock depreciated by 10%. Stock 20,000. In 20,000, 10%. 20,000 into 10 by 100. So 10 will be reduced. So to 2,000, isn't it? That 2,000 has come. Then debtors at 7,500. Here debtors 10,000. So here you should be careful about this word. At 7,500 means that is reduced to 7,500. Already we have 10,000. So how much value is reducing? That is 2,500. That is a loss. 2,500. So to debtors account 2,500. Then furniture revalued at 40,000. We should see the furniture 25,000. So at means again to 40,000. So how much is increasing? 15,000. That is a profit item. Credit side we should write by furniture account. Then the last adjustment. There is an outstanding wages. 4,500 not yet recorded. Here 4,500 outstanding wages is a loss. So we have to write on the debit side to outstanding wages. Then we should find out the difference. Okay, the difference is 6,000. This 6,000 will be shared among the partners in the old profit sharing ratio 3:2. Okay, so 3,600 and 2,400 has come. Now we should prepare the capital accounts. First capital accounts, 3 partners capital account must be prepared, including the admitted partner. So his name will be entered on the at the last. Okay, 3 column for amount column. 2 pages you can use. Okay, first we should write the opening balance. So by balance brought down, that is given in the balance sheet in the problem. Okay, this 30,000, 20,000. 30,000, 20,000. Then we should transfer that accumulated profits and reserves. So here reserve fund is the given in the liability side, that will appear in the credit side. by reserve fund. Okay, we will add along with the capital. But profit and loss account is a loss given in the asset side, so that will come in the debit side, 6,000, 4,000. In the old profit sharing ratio only we have to divide and give. Now revaluation profit also will be returned. Okay. Now the first adjustment, the new partner brought capital. Surya brings 10,000 as capital. So that one we can write as by bank account. In Surya's account only 10,000. Now add everything and find out the difference. That is the closing balance. This will appear in the next balance sheet. The balance of capital account 30,600, 20,400, 10,000. Okay. Now we will prepare the balance sheet. See, first furniture 25,000 we had, and appreciation 15,000, so totally 40,000. Stock 20,000 less depreciation 2,000, so 18,000. Debtors also at 7,500, so decrease value 2,500, that we have to reduce. Then cash in hand, that Surya's capital also came, so that also we have to add 45,000. Okay, then capital accounts we have written. Sundry creditors 45,000. Then that reserve fund we have already distributed. So outstanding wages we can write. When we add, we will get the same total on both the sides. Okay, students, now we will see the exercise. Exercise 24. Comprehensive problems. Rajan, Selva are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 as under. Capital accounts, general reserve, creditors. Here building, furniture, stock, debtors, bills receivable, cash at bank, profit and loss account. This also loss. Okay, general reserve given. They admit Ganesan as new partner. Ganesan brings 10,000 as capital, 1/5 share of profit. Stock and furniture reduced by 10%. Reserve of 5% on debtor for doubtful debts. Appreciate building by 20%. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. So this I will do and show. Okay. We will take a new page. Okay. We will draw the line outs. First, revaluation account must be prepared. To amount column. Okay. First we will write the question number 24. Okay. 24. It is written here. Okay, 24. Revaluation account. Particulars rupees. First adjustment, 10,000 brings capital. That one will not come, isn't it? Second one, stock and furniture reduced by 10%. So stock reduced by 10% means loss item that will appear in the debit side, isn't it? To stock, to furniture, to stock, to furniture. 10%. What is the 10% on stock? Stock 20,000. So 2,000 will get, isn't it? 1 0 we have to reduce. Furniture 1,000. So 10% 100. Then reserve on debtors for doubtful debts is to be created. So that is also a loss, isn't it? So we should write to reserve for doubtful debts. 5% on debtors. Debtor how much? 16,000. 10% means 1,600. 5 means half. So 800 we will get. Okay, 800 we will get. Then appreciate buildings. So buy buildings. Building value is increasing. It is a profit item. So buildings we should write. Buildings how much? 25,000. So by 20%, 10% means 2,500. So 20% means 5,000. That's all. Now we should. So now we have to find out the difference. 5,000. Credit side only more, 5,000. Here 2,900. So 2,100 we will get, isn't it? So 2 profit on revaluation transferred to, you have to write full words, okay? Partners capital account, Rajan's capital account, Selva's capital account. So we need to calculate, isn't it? In a rough paper we can calculate, isn't it? So 2,100 into old ratio 3:1. So 3 by 4. You have to divide, isn't it? 2,100. How many 4? 5 4s are 20. Balance 1. 10. 2 4s are 8. Balance 2. 25. 525 into 3. Three 5s are 15. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 5 3s are 15. 1575. 525. 2,100. Now we have to calculate the, we have to prepare the capital accounts. 3 column. 3 partners, so 3 amount column we need to draw. 1, 2, 3. Capital accounts. Partner's name Rajan, Selva, new partner Ganesh. Okay, Rajan, Selva, Ganesh. First opening balance. So we should write by balance brought down. Rajan 30,000. Selva 16,000. Okay. Now that accumulated profits and reserve must be distributed. First we will take the loss, profit and loss account on the asset side, 10,000. So we will write to profit and loss account. 10,000 we have to divide in the ratio of 3:1. Okay. 10,000 into 3 by 4. 2 4s are 8, 25. So 2,500 into 3, 7,500. Then 2,500. Next one, reserve, general reserve 4,000. That is the credit balance. So credit side it will come general reserve 4,000. So 3,000, 1,000. 3:1. Now, next one, profit on revaluation. It is profit, isn't it? So by revaluation account, 1,575, 525. Now that new partner brings capital, isn't it? Rupees 10,000. So by bank account, 12,500. Only Ganeshan's account. Okay, now we have entered everything. Now we will add and write the amount. $34,575. Here 17,525. 12,500. Same amount we have to write here also. Okay. So 34,575. 17,520. 12,500. Now we have to calculate the difference amount. Okay. To balance carry down. Okay, 5, 7, 0, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, balance 2. So 27,075. Here, 5, 2, 0, 5, 1. Here full amount 12,500. Now we will prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet, we will start with the question items. Okay, first one, buildings. Buildings 25,000 plus 20% appreciation. Okay, two amount column will be entered. Buildings amount 25,000. Then add appreciation. Appreciation 5,000. So that one it is in the revaluation account. So 30,000. Next item, furniture. Furniture 1,000. Less depreciation. Okay, depreciation how much? 100. So 900. Then stock 20,000. Then stock also depreciation. Decrease 20,000. How much that one? Stock 2,000. So 18,000. Then debtor 16,000. Less 800. 15,200. Bills receivable 3,000. Then cash both. Okay, 12,500 plus this 12,500. So okay, we have to write here plus 25,000. Since there is no space, I am writing like this. Profit and loss account is given already. Then here capital accounts. Capital accounts. Rajan 27,000. Zero 7,500. Then Selva 15,000 025. Then Ganesan 12,500. We should add and write here. 0 8 10 balance 1 6. There 7 plus 7 14 balance 1 5. Okay. Then general reserve is distributed. Now creditors 37,500. Ganesan, it is 10,000, isn't it? 10,000, not 12,500. We'll add and write 10, 10, balance 1, 10, 1, 12, balance 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, now we will add and check. Here cash 10,000. Already we had 12,500 plus 10,000, 22,500. 22, 5. Okay. 0, 0. Here 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Balance 1. So here 22,500. So 3. 3, 6, 11, 19. Balance 1. 3, 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 0, 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 5 plus 3, 8. 89,600. Okay, we have completed only one problem, one illustration and one problem. Okay, do this one. Tomorrow we will do the next one. Okay, students, thank you very much.